All right, so we have a 1 bedroom, completely remodeled. Let's start with the upgrades here. So we have porcelain tiles all throughout the entire property, brand new countertops, quartz with light oak cabinets. Okay, there's a mini split unit right here for your air, heating and air. All new plumbing has been done on this property. It's a very, all new fixtures. Comes with appliances as well. So it comes with the refrigerator and the stove. All new exhaust, completely renovated, recessed lighting, all new windows. One of the big selling points here is that city view, okay? This area was left open so that you could put 2 bar stools on each side and one can have dinner or breakfast either overlooking the city or just watching TV. This would be the formal living area here. And there's your city views. In the evening, you get a nice, that's downtown Long Beach over there. Okay, dual pane windows, so all that is new. This is the bedroom. Has a nice ceiling fan, new windows as well. Tile floor, this is tile, porcelain, very sturdy. Closet for the bedroom. You have lighting here as well. And you have the bathroom, which is a shower, completely remodeled as well. New toilet, new vanity. And yeah, glass shower door, exhaust vent with light, very important. And yeah, this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom here with its own door so that you can access the living area. And yeah, this is the setup here at 2010 Junipero. Completely remodeled. All the plumbing, electrical, gas, roof, everything has been replaced here. So this would be a very comfortable place for whoever sees fit.